Okay, so it occurred to me that I did not show you how to get into the studio to start your video on the time that it's scheduled. And that's because it hadn't posted yet. If you remember me saying, oh, it hasn't had time to post yet. So I'm going to really quickly from scratch, post something, schedule it, and then show you how to get in. That is the goal. So we are on my business page again. I'm going to the home page, and we learn the hard way. We go to create a live. I'm doing a whole different one. Oh, brother. My husband works from home. Okay, so here's where the options for use stream key, use camera, paired encoder here in the middle. I went straight to schedule a live, and I wonder if I needed to choose this first. Perhaps. Now, when I do that, though, you're going to see me, and I'm in my pajamas. So let's see. Do I want to do that? Not really. Well, all right, let's do it. Camera. Here I come. Okay, so camera, but we're going to schedule a video. Oh, good. I avoided that. And we'll do that for, we're just going to say today, like at noon, because I want to just do this super quick. Post to a page that I manage. Yes. We're just going to call this test. Where am I? Here we go. Please ignore. This is just a test for a demo. Okay, and add a group to promote. I want to promote preferred customers. Okay. Now, share to my groups. This page doesn't have any groups with permission to share videos. What the heck? See what I'm saying? Like, yet last night, it let me share to, like, everything. And now today it's not. Like, I don't understand the Facebook. Post to a page I manage. This is my page. No pages to cross post. That's correct, because I only have one page. Share to pages groups. I have like a bajillion groups. I just showed you that yesterday. Isn't that so strange? So I don't understand that. If somebody understands that, contact me, because that kind of stuff makes me cuckoo. Select an image. I don't care. We're just going to go with anything. We're doing happy birthday. Okay, so let's see. Please ignore. This is just a test for a demo. Blah, blah, blah. All right. And schedule live video. So this should be ready to go in my team page. So close. This might take a moment. Oh, now it's going to show me probably. Yuck. Camera issue. All right. This is because I'm using my OBS third-party software, yada, yada, yada. So that is irrelevant to you. All right. So let's go back to my groups and see if this has actually posted in my team page yet. If not, nobody panic, it will eventually. So this still hasn't shown up on my team page yet. I don't know why, but I'm going to show you from here. Oh my gosh. So wherever you have posted from and wherever you are going to broadcast to, you're going to see something like this. What I want to show you is right here where it says broadcaster only, edit your details. This is where you enter your broadcast studio. You can do it ahead of time, like anytime, any day. Let's say I scheduled it like a week out. I could do this on any given day to get in there and look around and test my camera and change my details. But you primarily, so let's say it's saying I'm going on today at noon, that's like 15 minutes away, so I want to get in there and get ready. So I can go in, and so I just pressed that. That's how I get in. And since you will be using your camera, you will see yourself down here in the lower right. You can make it bigger by either using that, and this whole screen will be you, okay? Or you can just move the page up. I'm glad it's not showing me because I am indeed in my pajamas. And when you are ready, you would click go live now. So you will also have sort of a countdown right here letting you know, like right now it's letting me know I'm supposed to go live in 14 minutes. So you'll see that count all the way down to 0. And then you have the control. You then click, it'll say right here, go live, and you'll click, and then it will turn red and it will say live. So you know you are. And then you are live until you go up here and click end. There'll be an option up here to end your live video. So you're going to be looking at pretty much the same thing as you look at when you're setting up, except you'll see yourself. There will be a slight time lag, which is a little bit distracting. So you may not want to make this bigger because you want to be looking at your camera, not looking at yourself. So I tend to not look at this. I might glance down to make sure, that I'm still, lined up and all that, but I don't watch myself the whole time. This is where you would click go live. There will be a cue asking you to go live. That you will click it. There will be something up here telling you that this is where you can end your video. You'll get a pop-up in the middle confirming, do you really want to end your video? Yes, you do. And then you'll have an option to post it. So I'm not going to go through all of that right here because I know you can do this, okay? It honestly is self-explanatory. I just felt like I wanted to show you how to get in from this point. And you can only get in right here. Now, let's say you are here and you say, what? I don't have this. This option is not there. What's happening? It's because you are signed in your personal account instead of your business account. Remember that. I have Michelle Micas Fox, my personal page, and I have Michelle Fox, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, my business page. Right now I am signed in as my business account. That's the account that created the event. So that's the account that can access it as the broadcaster. So if you don't see this, you want to double check what you are signed in as. So in other words, if somehow you are accessing this from your private page, from your news feed, something like that, that is the problem. Get onto your business page. Okay? Worst case scenario. 10 minutes after this time, it will be canceled. Okay? Not the end of the world. Not that big of a deal, right? Okay. So, God bless you. It's not hard. It really isn't. And nobody, you know what? Nobody showed me any of this. I just figured it out. So if I can figure it out, you can figure it out. And that's the God's honest truth. Okay? So good luck. Have fun with it.